I'm gonna do a little quick video of what we're doing today. So we're putting the steel edging, as you can see. You know, I didn't get the before progress, but you know, this is during. And fixing the stone edging, fixing the bed edgings and stuff, fixing a few sprinklers. You know, we just had to put the nipples on these ones, you know. And then the other one right here, put a nipple on that one. No, a big black stick on that one, you know. And some more, you know, some more sprinklers. And another one. We just had to twist these ones, you know. We just had to put a part right there. So really, we're just trimming, cleaning up, you know, fix sprinklers, fixing the beds, fixing the stone edges and stuff, and putting the steel edging too, you know, with mulch and what's it called, these things. Let me show y'all. These right here, you know, what is this?